Hello everyone, today I am showing off the new hs720. I just received it in the mail. I tried to do an unboxing video, but unfortunately had a mishap and that didn't go so well. So this drone has been opened and I already put batteries in the controller so that we can see the display. But this is the case upon opening. You have the drone here, which the case feels very nice. Very nice. It's very leatherish. But we've got the drone here. We've got the controller here. And then here, there was a small box that actually came with extra propellers, a screwdriver to change the propellers, and let's see. It also came with the battery charger, which the battery charger actually surprised me. Because instead of having an AC adapter that plugs into the wall, it actually comes with the USB cable that plugs into the charging brick, and then there's a dual port charger. So at least there's that, because that's pretty awesome. A dual port charger is very nice to have. That way you can charge two batteries. Well, I'm not sure if it charges them simultaneously or in sequence. Some drones do one way, some do the other. I haven't actually tested this drone yet. I'm just showing off the contents, because I've seen a lot of YouTube videos that show video, but they don't show the unit itself. They don't show an unboxing, an opening, or anything like that. So we're going to take this out of the box and actually show what you get. Let's see. Okay, we turn the controller on, and it's got distance, height, I would assume D and H. I haven't charged the drone yet, of course, so it doesn't show anything on the drone battery. But yeah, it shows that the GPS is on, of course. And there's a number here. I'm really hoping that's the speed, because that's just good information to have. I like to know how fast my drone will go. But all in all, a really nice controller. I was surprised that it took AA, though. I was hoping it would be rechargeable. But, you know, I'm not really nitpicking. And then here's the drone itself. Let me see. Okay, it actually is marked on it. Unfold the underarm, and then unfold the front arms. Okay. So you do the bottom, then the top. And they fold straight out. They don't twist like some do. And, oh, okay. The battery's got a protector so that I guess it didn't fully engage while in flight. So I'll have to charge that. But that is handy that it's got a spacer, so you don't have to worry about it going in there and accidentally turning on or anything. So that might just be a good thing to keep. And then we've got the camera, which has a cover. Let's see. It's got one of those little plastic labels you have to remove. And we can take a look at it. Right. Well, I'm going to leave that alone for right now. But here's the camera. Like I say, it's got that removable label there to protect it. But it has the bottom positioning sensors, which this is the first time I've ever seen those on a Holystone drone. I'm a fan. I have a few Holystone drones, but this is the first GPS one and the first one with any kind of bottom sensors that I've had. The others have, they hold their position, but they don't actually have sensors, so it's not going to be as accurate. Okay, and then here is the micro SD slot. It says above a class 10. So that would be your SanDisk Ultras. That's what I use personally. They just work great. And I believe that this will take up to a 32 gigabyte. I don't think it's supposed to take a 64 and above, but your mileage may vary. I have no idea. I haven't tried it. But I know it was advertised to work with up to a 32 gig. But yeah, the quality feels really nice. Let's see. Folds up nicely, and I know that it's got metal gearing in here or something like that. I know they advertised it on the video. But all in all, it's first impression. It's an awesome little drone. If it flies half as well as it looks, then I think this is going to be one of my new favorites to play with. But definitely another outdoor drone is a plus. I enjoy a GPS outdoor drone. But thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.